shoes?
Shoes.
Shoes, look at the back.
Look. Watch, watch.
What happened? What's that? What did the shoes do? What did the shoes do, Nora?
I'm the rock.
They have lights on them.
Do you want to put them on your feet?
I'll put this.
Look over here, Nora. Show. What are these shoes? What are they?
Fancy.
They're fancy. What are they, though?
Puppy dog.
That's right, they're puppy dogs. Do you love them? You want to put them on?
They don't light up.
Let's put them on.